Strong winds hit Great Britain, Denmark, Poland and Germany, leaving hundreds of thousands of homes without power. Bridges were closed, train cancelled and ferries grounded, and coastal waves caused flooding. A violent storm continued to batter northern Europe on Sunday, causing waves along the coast and bringing public transport to a standstill. The storm system known as node in Germany as Malik elsewhere had strengthened a day earlier, bringing a time hurricane-level winds to the coast of the North and Baltic Seas. As the storm moved east on Sunday, the fire department in the German capital Berlin declared a state of emergency and told residents to stay indoors where possible. The storm surge also hit the city of Hamburg in northern Germany, while the Elbe River reached the North Sea. Water flooding the fish market in the Hamburg district of St. Paul. Several cars in the city were swept away by the water. Also in Hamburg, the storm pushed a barge with an escalator to the bridge. The water level in Elbe exceeded normal tides by several meters. The German railway company said the storm disrupted train service in Schleswig-Holstein due to fallen trees. In the northern city of Bremen, the fire service spokesman said they had been disrupted to 9 separate calls to clear down the trees in the area. Although no injuries were reported.